Have you ever been tooling along fine and then suddenly you notice that something seems a bit off? Today, I'm going to share some practical tips for drummers about tuning, but also for entrepreneurs and creatives. It'll be a great analogy. In drumming, as in life, sometimes you need to find out what needs to be tweaked and find out how to fix it. Okay, so I have a snare drum here for an example for you. I've been playing percussion for quite a number of years in church bands and cover bands. That's bongos, congas, djembe, any type of hand drum. I just play the drum kit for fun. I'm self-taught, I play by ear, so I do know when something sounds a bit off, but nobody ever really taught me how to properly tune my drum kit. I know a few of the basics. Yes, I have a drum key, and I didn't realize that what I was doing wasn't enough. I went on YouTube just to see what am I doing wrong, and there were some videos how to tune your drum kit in 3 minutes kind of thing. And so I did learn a different technique, helped a little bit, but it didn't stick. The drums would sound okay, and then they wouldn't. Creatives and entrepreneurs, has this ever happened to you in your business or in your career, where things started along just fine, but then things shifted, and either you noticed a decline or things started slowing down and something just wasn't working like it used to? In your case, it might be not just marketing, it also might be your mindset. So in either case, for drummers, entrepreneurs, or creatives, you might need to really take a deep dive and look at things more closely. You might also need to reach out to an outside expert who can see things that you can't. I always can see things in my coaching clients that they completely missed, or even when I'm working with drummers, when I'm playing percussion, they will actually ask me, Dory, the drums don't seem right. Do I need to come up or come down? So I have a good ear. I can hear things for others, but you can't always hear it for yourself. So I went onto YouTube and found a longer, more comprehensive video. I might even put the guy's link down below, share the love, right? Because it really helped. And he had a whole different technique. I mean, I know that you're supposed to tune the lugs across from each other diagonally so that it balances. So you got to stay in balance. I know that, there's no cracks. That definitely would affect the sound, but you also have to check underneath. Sometimes I know from some of the young drummers I've worked with, they can crack the bottom and then you get a real different rattly sound. So that needs to be fixed. But he also mentioned that, I never thought of this, you got to push on the bottom to see, is it squishy? So that would affect the sound because that would indicate that something is loose. So you got to tighten the bottom, you got to tighten the top. He did all kinds of different things, with the sticks to test the sound. So yes, it was a longer, more complicated process, but that is something that needs to be considered. You can't always have a quick fix, people. I have had people who wanted to sign on for drum therapy. My programs are usually at least 8 weeks. They want to do it in 2. It's like, well, that'll help a little bit, but it's much better if you go longer. So what I'm going to need to do personally is tune the whole drum kit, all the toms and all that, using the more comprehensive method first. I will see if that changes the sound and if it sticks. If the tuning doesn't stick, I'm going to need to replace all of the drum heads. It's been a while. I probably need to do it anyway, but it's something that I've kind of been avoiding. It's extra money, it's extra time. Can you relate? So, drummers, creatives, and entrepreneurs, take a good look at what's wrong. Don't dismiss things. I was quick to say, oh, it must be the temperature of the room or because the drums aren't mic'd. That's why they sound off. No, everything needed to be fixed. So that might not be the case for you, but if you need someone to walk alongside of you, maybe take another look at what's going on, just reach out. My contact info will be at the end of this video, or you can sign up for my newsletter list for more tips and encouragement. Keep the faith, my friends, and keep on rocking.